In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can order on Shein. So to get started, you can simply download the app from the Play Store or the App Store. Once you download the app, this is what it will look like, right? So you're just gonna simply select a category to get started. So let's say kids, and let's say you wanted to purchase this little dress here. So you're going to select it, then select add to cart. Select the size that you need and style. So once you've selected the size and style, select add to cart. Then select your cart at the top of the screen to check out. To remove an item from the cart, you simply select the delete icon. Confirm if you want to delete. Then to check out and submit your order, select checkout. Here you're going to select your shipping method, and at the top of the screen, right, is your address where you want to ship to. So if you want to change the address, you're going to select edit and then enter the shipping address that you want to ship to. So here I'm going to step back. Or if you wanted to add another shipping address, you could simply select add a shipping address. So I'm going to step back again. Then you're going to select your payment method. Let's say debit or credit card. So if you have a gift card and you wanted to apply it, just select gift card and enter the card number and PIN and select apply. Then once you review your information, select place order. Now you'll be asked to provide your payment information. And then you simply select place order to complete your purchase. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.